The city of Carencro, Louisiana, is a blend of tradition and progress. From charming historic homes that echo Southern heritage to sleek modern builds designed for today's lifestyles, the area's housing styles are diverse and full of personality. With such variety, a one-size-fits-all approach to window replacement simply doesn't work. Homeowners in Carencro need tailored solutions that respect a property's architectural character while providing the comfort, efficiency, and durability needed for Louisiana's climate. The unique needs of historic homes. Carencro's historic homes carry timeless charm, but their original windows often lack the efficiency and functionality modern families require. Preserving character. Historic homes may feature wood-framed, divided light windows that add charm but are prone to drafts and damage. Energy efficiency concerns. Single-pane glass does little to block Louisiana's heat and humidity. Custom solutions. Window replacement for historic homes should maintain the original look while upgrading performance. Options like custom wood-look vinyl or fiberglass frames can replicate the appearance of traditional windows without the upkeep. The goal is to keep the authenticity of the home intact while ensuring it's comfortable and energy efficient. Modern homes and contemporary needs. Newer Carencro homes are often designed with open layouts, larger windows, and a focus on natural light. Sleek designs. Modern homes benefit from expansive picture windows, sliding windows, or casement windows that emphasize clean lines. Efficiency upgrades. Low-E coatings, double or triple pane glass, and insulated frames help maintain cool interiors during the hot Louisiana summers. Style flexibility. With contemporary homes, homeowners can experiment with bold colors, minimalist frames, and innovative designs. Modern homes provide more freedom to choose windows that enhance efficiency and curb appeal without strict style limitations. Energy efficiency. For both styles, regardless of whether your Carencro home is historic or modern, energy efficiency is a top priority. Double and triple pane windows. Add insulation and reduce energy waste. Low-E coatings. Reflect heat away, lowering cooling costs. Impact-resistant glass. Provides added safety during storm season while improving insulation. In Louisiana's humid subtropical climate, energy-efficient windows reduce reliance on air conditioning and improve year-round comfort. Curb appeal and aesthetic considerations. Windows aren't just functional, they're also key to your home's curb appeal. Historic homes. Replacement windows should match the original proportions, grille patterns, and finishes. Custom designs ensure updates blend seamlessly with the home's character. Modern homes. Large, open glass panes or floor-to-ceiling designs can create a striking look, emphasizing indoor-outdoor connections. Whether you're aiming to preserve tradition or highlight modern elegance, tailored window replacement helps your home stand out while fitting the neighborhood's style. The importance of professional installation. Window replacement, especially for older homes, isn't a DIY project. Professional installers bring expertise that ensures precise fit. Custom measurements prevent drafts and leaks. Structural considerations. For historic homes, care must be taken not to damage original architecture. Durability. Proper sealing and insulation maximize efficiency and longevity. In Carencro, working with professionals familiar with both historic and modern styles ensures your investment enhances comfort, efficiency, and curb appeal. Final thoughts. From historic treasures to modern builds, Carencro homes deserve window replacement solutions that are as unique as their architecture. For historic properties, the priority is preserving charm while upgrading performance. For modern homes, the focus shifts to maximizing efficiency and embracing contemporary design. In either case, tailored window replacement ensures your home not only looks its best but also stands up to Louisiana's climate. By choosing the right windows and working with experienced professionals, Carencro homeowners can enjoy the perfect balance of beauty, comfort, and long-term value, whether they're preserving history or embracing modern style.